Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you on how you can calculate area of a parcel, area of the land. In some cases whereby you went to a site, you pick the distance of the boundary, you have the perimeter of the boundary, maybe after you are done doing the perimeter survey, and you are here to plot the data, you are here to compute it. But with your bearing at distance, do you know you can actually obtain the area of that observation? So just watch me as I put you through on how you can achieve that. Okay, we have two type of shape. We have regular shape and we have irregular shape. Alright, what do I mean by regular and regular shape? Just watch me as I'm going to draw that on my screen. Alright, I believe you can see this now. So this I can call, don't mind my drawing, let me just call this regular shape, and this I'll call irregular shape. So point of interest is to calculate the area of this shape, and also you want to obtain the area of this shape. Alright, so this is, for example, this is the perimeter of a boundary now. So we want to determine the area. So this is our length, this is our length, and this is our width. Alright. So now what you simply do is that since this is a regular shape, so I'll just say for my regular shape now, this is my length. So let my length be, let me give this 25 meter. While this my width is going to be 18 meter. You know the length is going to be longer than the width. From the drawing you can actually see this place is shorter than this way, but don't mind that, but I'm just using this as an example. So mind you, this is the length, so the length is actually going to be longer than the width. So my length is 25 meter and this is the width, which is 18 meter. Alright, to determine the area of this parcel of land, what you simply do is you say what? Area is equals to what? Length times width for regular shape, and we have what? 25 meter multiplied by 18 meter. So it's going to give me what? From my calculator, I'll just punch my calculator, 25 multiplied by 18 meter, then I have what? 450.00 SQM, square meter. So for this area now, we have 450.00 SQM as the area of this boundary, because it's a regular shape. But for this place that is irregular, so we are going to have it as my length, width, and width. So this one is going to be L1, this is going to be L2, this is W1, and this is the width 2. Alright, so for me to be able to get the area for this irregular shape, what I'll simply do is I'll say my L1 plus my L2 divided by 2, then multiply by my width 1 plus my width 2 divided by 2. So it's going to give me what? It's going to give me my area. So to get the answer, what I'll simply do, assuming this is maybe let me just give this as 20, and this I'll give is equals to 18. This let this be 15 and this be 17. You can see is irregular compared to this one that is regular. This is 25 and this is 25, this is 18, this is 18. So by the time you add it up, it's going to give you the same answer. But this is irregular, so that is why we are having it L1, L2, and with 1 with 2. Alright, so bringing the the dimensions of the meter into the formula, we are going to have 18 meter plus 20 meter divided by 2. They are both in what? They are both in meter. Then multiply by, what is my width one? My width one says 15 meter plus 17 meter. They are both in meter. Divided by 2. So what I'll simply have here is 20 plus 18, and that will be 38 divided by 2, which is in meter. Alright, when you add this 18 plus 20 together, it's going to give us 38 meter. Then divide by 2, multiply by 15 plus 17 is going to give us 32 meters divided by 2. So what we simply have is it's going to be 38 divided by 2. When we point the calculator, it's going to say 38 divided by 2. So we have 19 meter multiplied by 32 divided by 2 that is 16 meter. So it's going to give us what? 19 multiplied by 16, then we have 304. So for the irregular area now, we have what? We have 304.00 SQM meter. And that is how to calculate the area of a parcel of land in a place whereby you are in urgent need of the area of the land. Maybe after you are done doing the observation, after you are done measuring the length and the breadth of the area, and you were able to come across regular shape. Maybe the dimensions of the length and breadth is a regular shape, so you can use this method. But for the irregular shape, this is the method you're going to use to observe to get the area. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you.